and everyone present here. My name is Antonella Emotional Country. The name of my school is East High Secondary School. I am 5 years old. I love spending time with my family and I love to travel and I love dancing and presently I learned ballerina. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sherilyn Jitam. I study in LKG class. The name of my school is Saint and Paul Secondary School, Maukusiam Sora. I am 4 years old. My name is Kalilis Imli. I'm from Rama, 5 years old. I'm studying class KG1. The name of my school is Keriban Memorial Elementary School. So yeah, my hobby is singing. Thank you.